Ready to move Bitcoin from your Electrum wallet? Let's get it done safely and efficiently. First, open your Electrum wallet. Make sure you're on the Send tab €. This is where the magic happens. Now, carefully paste the receiving Bitcoin address into the Pay to field. Double, triple, even quadruple check this address. An error here can mean losing your Bitcoin forever. Always verify the address. It's best practice to use QR code scanning if the receiving wallet or exchange offers it. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Electrum usually displays the equivalent value in your local currency too. For reference, pay attention to the fee slider. Higher fees mean faster transaction confirmation. Electrum provides estimated confirmation times for each fee level, so choose one that suits your needs. Review everything carefully on the confirmation screen before hitting send. Make one last address check and make sure the fee is correct. And that's it. Your transaction is now broadcast to the Bitcoin network. You can track its progress using the transaction ID provided by Electrum.